what do we got here, bud?
Oh man, finally happening. We're finally got both units together. We can finally do a run in not freezing weather.
Yeah, no.
And hey, take a look at the sky. No rain today.
Imagine, no, not yet anyway.
Not yet. Knock on wood. Yeah. So today we're doing the Wolf Mountain Loop.
Yeah.
We're going to the highest point in Sudbury.
Woo!
Should be a nice hill climb.
Uh-oh.
Neat there, nice trails all the way there. We'll probably hit up Paradise Lagoon too.
Yeah, didn't you say the water's all
it's super clear
mint there?
We'll take a jump in, but other than that, we're gonna go out today. Hopefully no breakdowns.
Yeah.
Hopefully no belt snapping.
Yeah, no guarantees on the YXZ because I haven't really driven it yet with the turbo setup other than just down the road, so yeah. Well, we're waiting for one other buddy, Seth, who's coming on a, what is he, Sportsman 570. So we're waiting for him to show up, and then yeah, we'll head out and we'll go check out Wolf Mountain. See you in a minute.
A few moments later.
Hey?
He rolled.
You f***ing goof. Did you wreck your... What?
Look at the headlight, it's got the extension mod on it.
Where? What do you mean the extension mod?
On the handlebars. You know what, man? It's
Look at the gap, boy. What were...
Back in, it's popped out of the...
But
Holy...
I have a question though, like,
Yeah.
what were you thinking?
Well, I think about looking at that, just like,
I was just gonna come back down right here.
I didn't even realize you rolled it. I came up and they're like, oh, I'm not climbing that. And I'm like, and I was like, oh, Seth.
I'm like, dude, it looks like he like wiped out or something. I just see plastic.
Oh, I'll lose my water. I need that.
Got the seat. What a goon. Yo, guess what? I brought zip ties. We could probably get that thing back on somehow.
I'm replacing this anyway.
We gotta...
No, I got a line on a new one because of the crack.
Yeah, but this, you gotta fix this.
Yeah.
It's
because the metal's bent out.
Oh, we can get her close. And zip...
Yeah.
How? I'm just wondering how we could zip tie it here.
Well, hold on. Let me put this so we can get it off. Oh.
What a gee.
You had her pretty good until you hit that moss.
I wasn't trying to go that high. I got to
the moss. Yeah. Oh yeah? Well, look, it's sketchy to get on in the first place.
got his phone.
Whew, this is sketchy.
Yeah, that's not the best, eh?
Yeah, pretty sketchy, not gonna lie. And by pretty sketchy, I mean
100%.
really sketchy. This is fucking nuts. You drive across this thing all the time? You're crazy.
Fuck, I ripped across this on my dirt bike in 5th.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, dude. Actually, the faster you go, the nicer it is.
With his truck.
Really?
Yeah. Man, we were a kid, you take the little Ram Charger across this. All right, man.
We made her.
We made her. Wolf Mountain.
Kind of can't really
Yeah.
see much because it rained.
Yeah, of course, right? Because I went and said that it was nice weather today, and then it rained.
Like usual.
Like usual.
You said there's the highest point in Sudbury.
Highest point in Sudbury, yeah, definitely.
You know how high it is? Like, what's the elevation?
No idea. You'd have to Google that.
We made her.
We made her. Yeah. How was the YXZ coming up the hill there?
Disaster.
Disaster?
Yeah, you gotta hit everything with speed. And it's like yards. But made it good.
Yeah.
I don't think I broke anything. How was yours getting up?
Well, you know, the X rock crawler.
I would hope it.
Yeah. I would hope it'd climb a couple rocks considering it wasn't anything too severe, but
no, it was all right.
no, yeah, it went pretty good.
We made her. We'll go to what's the other place?
Paradise Lagoon next.
Lagoon. We'll go there. We'll get the hell out of here because the bugs are just.
Yeah, this is brutal.
Well, we're done the Wolf Mountain Loop. Had to add gas in the YXZ because it is at half. XRC hasn't even burnt a single bar, which is, you know, I don't know what's going on here. So we're gonna go to that lagoon. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing broken yet. Nothing broken on the YXZ. Nothing broken on the X3, I don't think.
No, not yet.
Radius rod's still not bent.
Yeah,
Not,
man,
I don't know.
So far. You know, knock on wood.
Stock rod's not good. Knock on some wood. Yo, knock on some.
Knock on wood.
Knock on.
Pretty good, man.
Yeah, okay, we're good. The wood was knocked on, so you're fine for the day at least. Okay, so we'll go to that lagoon. Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
And stuff.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's go. I don't know if you could see that. Oh, I guess you can. The water actually is as clear as they say. It's pretty clear. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this fungi here.
Holy jeez, that's a fun guy if I've ever seen one.
I thought it was a croissant, but it's not. It's a shroom. Ooh, look at this.
Double.
Look at the stem.
That's a double, dude. Ooh. Nice.
Wow. How are you supposed to get down here?
You gotta walk down over by the side-by-sides.
Oh, all right. Well, let's yeah. Let's go check that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, it's clear.
Okay.
It is clear, yep.
Let me check it out.
All right. All right, and stuff.
It's a walk.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ah, jeez. Jeez, you know, I can't be doing this kind of things.
What do you think I'm gonna
Walk. You know, just walk places. I have a machine. What did I pay $20,000 for here? Gotta walk.
I thought you said we're going side by side. You said nothing about, oh, let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk. What a waste of time. What a waste. Hey, look at that. It is clear, eh?
Very.
I kind of want to go in there. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. We can jump off the rock over there.
Yo, look at that June bug or whatever.
Okay, just kidding, man.
Yo,
We're not going in. That's the end of that.
Yeah, I guess we're not going in the water. Yeah,
Thanks for
sorry.
watching,
Yeah,
guys.
it's good.
You know, like, comment, subscribe.
But we are not going in.
God.
Did you see that bug? Yes, you did. We're not going in. No, it's pretty nice. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I know you probably didn't click on this video to watch a video of me swim, but it's what it is. So if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Yeah, more side-by-side action to come.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully some Silver Lake at some point in the year.
Yeah, hopefully.
But yeah, that's it for now, guys. That's all.
Thanks for watching, guys.